Merry Christmas everyone. I'm going to be doing a beer can chicken today. Basically shoving a can of beer up a chicken's clacker. Make a spice rub, a little rack to place the chicken on, and then we'll pop it on the barbecue. You can do this one in the oven as well, on about 180 degrees. You let it tick by till it's cooked all the way through, till the skin's all nice and crispy. Then you're good to go.
Hell yeah, coach, I love chicken.
For the spice rub, we've got a teaspoon and a half of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. For a size 18 chicken.
That's a big piece of chicken.
And then we're going to spray it with oil and then rub our rubbing. Bit in there.
Bam! That just kicks it up a little bit.
Now I've got this little rig, so I'm going to just pour my beer into that. There's a beer can I'll just drop through. Pop the chicken on top, so it's easier to get on and off, or in and out of the oven. You can get ones where the beer can just fits in, but when I went, I didn't have any, so I'll pay more and get this one. So I'll just tip my beer into there, it'll act as the can. Merry Christmas, Missy. Got the very best.
Get that up, yeah.
Absolutely cheers, thank you very much. Tip it in. Be about 3/4 full. Same if you're using the actual can, take a bit out. Alright, get the chicken up. There we go. Look at that. Chicken's on its throne. So I'm going to pop it in on the barbie now. I'm going to probe it. Wait till it gets to about 74 degrees. I think it'll take around near 2 hours. And that'll be it done.
Dark fire will not avail you, flame of Udun! You shall not pass!
I'm going to chuck the probe in to the breast. Wait till that reaches around 74. Don't have a probe, just keep on check on it. Use like a metal skewer or something to check the temperature. Obviously, or you can wait until the juices are running clear and I'll let that go. Just keep an eye on the temperature. Want it around 180 degrees C.
And a Happy New Year.